Welcome to our tutorial on how to do affiliate marketing for beginners. In this video, we will guide you through the process of getting started in affiliate marketing. First, let's review the basics. Affiliate marketing is when you partner with an existing business to promote their products or services on your website. As an affiliate, you will get paid a commission every time someone buys something through your website. It's a great way to earn money online. Now, let's jump into how to get started. To get started with affiliate marketing, the first step is to find the right affiliate program. You want to look for programs that offer high commissions and that align with the type of content that you will be sharing on your website. Next, create content to promote the affiliate program. Your content should be well written and helpful. Provide resources, product reviews, and educational information that people can use to decide if the product is right for them. You can use videos, blog posts, and social media to get your message out there. Once your content is created, the next step is to set up a tracking system so you can keep track of the commissions you receive. Some of the most popular tools include affiliate link tracking software, which tracks which links customers click and if they make a purchase. This helps you see what's working and what's not. Finally, start marketing and growing your audience. Promote your content on social media and start networking with other affiliates in your niche. You can also try creating advertisements on platforms like Google and Facebook to target the right audience. That's it. That's a quick overview of how to get started with affiliate marketing. Remember to stay organized, track your progress, and be consistent in your marketing efforts. With hard work and dedication, you can become a successful affiliate marketer.